Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we are discussing the best sublimation printer for socks. Sublimation printing is an economical option for sock printing, but choosing the right sublimation printer for socks is critical. To help you out, we have researched and compiled a list of the top 5 sublimation printers for socks. We have also included the link to each printer in the description box so you can easily purchase it with no hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated every day, so you don't have to worry about outdated prices. So without further ado, let's start with our list. Number 1 is VEVOR Heat Press Machine. The VEVOR 12-inch by 15-inch heat press machine is an excellent tool for DIY enthusiasts and small business owners. Its versatile nature makes it possible to transfer images onto various surfaces, including socks, shirts, hoodies, trousers, pillows, bags, table mats, and even ceramic tiles. What sets this heat press apart is its Pro heating system. The dual-tube fast heating technology distributes heat evenly and quickly, resulting in a more uniform temperature throughout the platen. This translates to better printing results for your shirts and other items. The VEVOR heat press also offers precise control through its high-precision temperature sensor, which is 50% more sensitive than traditional sensors. The machine features an audible beep notification when transfers are complete, making monitoring your progress and achieving consistent results easily. The 360-degree swing-away design of the machine adds to its safety features, allowing you to work around the hot plate without risk of burns or other injuries. Finally, the upgraded Anti-Sculpt cover further enhances safety by reducing surface temperatures to 120 degrees Fahrenheit while also being less prone to scratches. If you want to buy this heat press machine, check out the link in the description box.